Welcome to this video tutorial for the Haiku Learning Management System for middle schoolers at American School of Bombay. This is going to show you the parent view of the Haiku Learning Management System. As we do with all of our systems and platforms and tools at ASB, we start at the ASB dashboard and we navigate over to the MS for Middle School tab where we click, and that's where we will find the link to the Haiku Learning Management System. We will click on that link and it will take us to this sign-in area, and please use the right-hand side and enter your VeraCross username and password. Once you've entered it, you can sign in and you will come to the parent view of the portal area of your children's courses. If you have more than one child, you will see all their courses on the left-hand side here, and you will find a drop-down box right about here that will give you a choice between which child's view you may look at. So we can see the classes here on the left-hand side. We can see the calendar here in the middle. We can see announcements over on the right-hand side. If we scroll down, we can see entries that are attached to the calendar view, so that if we click on a particular day, we will see what assignments have been are expected or whose due dates are on that day. So we click on those, you can see the various assignments. And if you look down, you see recent activity of what the teachers have been posting. Okay, you can change the color coding. So if we don't want English to look so much like the science, we can change that to a blue color, and then all of the English assignments we will see in blue. So let's see if we can find a blue one. There we go, there's an English one. And you should be able to just hover over any one of these and see what course in particular they are associated with. But let's go into one of the courses and take a closer look at the courses themselves. So we're going to click on the math course, and we're going to come to the top page level of this math course, where all the teachers have posted a class introduction, learning and reporting standards for their course, as well as the program of studies. You should find that in each one of your children's courses. Okay. Then we'll go over on the the left-hand side here. You will see all the pages that the teacher has created that contains the content, the homework, assignments, discussions, all the content that they want their students to participate in and be aware of. So let's take a look now at the calendar. Calendar is very important because that's going to give you an overview of all the assignments. And once you hover over, you can see a little bit more about the assignment. And if you click on the assignment, you will see the actual assignment with the due dates and what the expectations are. Okay. So we're going to come out, we're going to go over to the Connect tab. There you will see announcements that have been posted within this course, discussions that have been posted in this course. You will see the topics, the topic questions and issues that they're covering. However, you will not see the content of those discussions, nor will you be able to post. Then let's take a look at the inbox. Now the inbox is a built-in email system where you can write the teacher a message, and the teacher will receive it in Haiku, but they will also receive it in their ASB email inbox. So they'll find it in both those places, two places, so that they can best respond to you. And your child similarly can contact the teacher using this inbox feature. Okay, let's take a look now at the Assess tab. There, the activities, assessments, and assignments are posted, and you can have an overview of all of those with their due dates. But let's take a look at the grades and to see and discuss the grades section of the Haiku Learning. Okay, so you can see that grades have been posted for this student. You can see down in the bottom that in math there are 5 standards. Some courses have 4, some have as many as 6. This one has 5. And then we see the ATLs, Approaches to Learning, and they are the same across all courses. Okay, and then the EX stands for Exemplifies Standard, and that's always in green. ME meets standard, and that again is always in green. Approaches standard is in yellow. And finally, DM does not meet standard will appear in red. Okay, let's take a closer look at one of these standards, and we do that by clicking on it. And here we can see that this student has had 4 assignments in total already assessed on mathematics operation. That's the standard that has been assessed. The first one was a meets, the topmost one. It goes from chronologically from top to bottom, with bottom being the most recent assignment. Okay, the bottom is always the most recent assignment. That will be what you see in the bar graph in the main area here. So this student first had a meets expectations, then 2 assignments with approaches, and then we can see that he finally was able to go back up and meet the expectations of that assignment again. And you see that the teacher has left comments that will help him identify where he needs to be working on, or what the teacher has observed. So that's an opportunity for feedback that the teacher has, is to leave a comment. Okay, so we just click to get back to this global view again, and we can see again all the standards at once. And then if we go back, navigate back to pages, just a few more things that I want to show you about the parent view. So we're going to come over here, and just as an overview of what else you can do as a parent. You can change the notification settings yourself, so you can go in on top right hand corner. You'll see the opportunity to click on notifications, and that way whenever something new is posted in the system, you can ask whether or not your email is turned on or off, or whether there's some other method of how you can be notified about that. So you have some choices there. You can filter through the names of all your children in the system, and I mentioned that at the portal top. When you first log in, you come to the portal page, and you should see that drop box where you can choose which of your children whose view you want to look through. And finally, here is just to reiterate what you can see and not see. Okay, you'll see all the gradebook comments, but you will not see your students' actual work in any of the activities, assignments, or discussions. You will not be able to see private messages between the student and teacher through the inbox, and you will not be able to see or access the drop box to submit assignments. Okay, so that's it. That's the overview of the parent view of the Haiku Learning Management